Imagine this, a single Lego brick. Yes, that innocent, colorful piece of childhood pain comes hurtling toward Earth at the speed of light. Not a spaceship, not a meteor, a Lego. What happens when it smashes into our planet? Will it melt, bounce, disappear, or will it annihilate everything in its path? Today, we're diving into a thought experiment so intense, it'll make sci-fi look tame. Let's see what happens when a Lego hits Earth at light speed. Let's begin with the scenario that hits hardest. A Lego brick, just 3 grams of brightly colored ABS plastic, moving at 299,792,458 meters per second, or the speed of light. Now, physics disclaimer. Under Einstein's laws, nothing with mass should be able to hit light speed. But we're going full what if here. This is pure theoretical mayhem. So what happens? First, let's talk about energy. Kinetic energy is calculated with the equation E equals 1/2 mv superscript 2. But at these extreme velocities, we need Einstein's relativistic version. E equals mc squared / square root 1 v superscript 2 / c superscript 2. And since v equals c, that denominator becomes 0, and the energy becomes infinite. So this isn't just a fast Lego. This is a tiny god of destruction wrapped in shiny ABS plastic. Now picture this. Standing in a peaceful desert in Arizona. The sun's low, cicadas are buzzing. Suddenly, without warning, the sky flashes white hot. A Lego, moving faster than your neurons can fire, impacts the desert floor. There's no sound at first, just light, blinding, nuclear-level brilliance. Then, milliseconds later, a shockwave so violent it shreds the air. The Lego doesn't dig a hole. It vaporizes the crust beneath it. A mushroom cloud erupts like a nuke went off. The resulting explosion would release as much energy as a multi-megaton nuclear bomb. That tiny plastic brick could level a city the size of Chicago. But it doesn't stop there. The Lego is now a plasma fireball ripping through the Earth's crust at hypersonic speeds. Shock waves radiate outward, fracturing tectonic plates. Within seconds, fires rage across hundreds of square miles. Seismic waves travel the globe, triggering earthquakes on every continent. If it hit in a populated area, millions gone in an instant. And all from something you once stepped on barefoot. Okay, maybe we got lucky. Maybe it didn't hit land. Instead, it screamed down from the sky into the Pacific Ocean. Let's slow it down, figuratively, so we can appreciate the carnage. You're a sailor on a container ship near the Mariana Trench. Just before dawn, the sky tears open. For a split second, it's brighter than noon. Then, silence, followed by a blinding wall of superheated water vapor erupting into the atmosphere. When a Lego hits, it doesn't just splash, it boils the ocean. A crater forms in the water, hundreds of meters wide. The water near the impact point flashes into steam instantly, creating a superheated pressure wave. Tsunamis burst outward in every direction, waves possibly hundreds of feet high. Islands vanish underwater. Coastal cities from Japan to California are devastated hours later. The Lego continues into the depths, and when it hits the seafloor, it explodes again like a second underwater nuke. The shockwave cracks the Earth's crust, possibly triggering underwater volcanoes or even a megaquake. Satellites would even record the energy release as comparable to an asteroid impact. That's if they survive the blast radius. So what do we learn from this? A Lego at light speed would release more energy than a nuclear bomb. It doesn't matter if it hits land or sea, the Earth gets wrecked. And yes, something you once swallowed as a kid could hypothetically end civilization if fast enough. The laws of physics are brutal. Even the smallest object, if fast enough, becomes a force of absolute chaos. So next time you step on a Lego, and it feels like the worst pain imaginable, just be glad it wasn't moving at the speed of light. If you enjoyed this journey into hypothetical doom, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-bending science facts, and let me know in the comments, what object should we send hurtling at Earth next?